We're eating breakfast. We're trying to eat it on our own. Here, dip the spoon. Put the spoon in there. Good job, Brayden. There you go. Now put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Good job, Brayden. Okay, Riker. Now put it in the spoon. Oh. Gotta put it in your mouth. There you go. Now put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. You have to actually take it off the spoon, though. Put it in your mouth. You want to eat it? Eat it. Put it in your mouth. Go. Put it in your mouth. Good job, Brayden. Good job. So use your spoon. There you go. Put it in your mouth. Good job. Now, Riker, you try. Put the spoon in the bowl. Put the spoon in your bowl. You have to get food on it. Okay, now put the spoon in your mouth. Good job. Are you cheating? Get the spoon, get the food on the spoon. There you go. Now put the spoon in your mouth. Put the spoon in your mouth. There you go, Riker. Good job. Now put the spoon in your mouth.